Hello guys, it's Natalia again with you. We'll talk today about shopping in Ukraine, and it is of course connected to this. Do you know the name of this place? Street markets. Street markets are an amazing place to go grocery shopping to. In Ukraine, street markets can be found in every city or town. Street markets are also a place where people sell different products like clothes and food. In Andriivsky descent, people even sell souvenirs. At the street market, you should pay with Ukrainian money, hryvnias. To pay means to give money for the product you want to buy. You should also remember that you can pay only in cash there. Usually you cannot use a credit card at the street market, so cash is your only option. Sometimes it is difficult for a shop assistant to find you change, but if they give you change, you should count it. It is probably okay to leave a tip at a coffee shop, but people don't do that at the street market. At the restaurants, you should leave a tip that is around 10% of the money you pay. Another thing that you can see at the street markets is antiques. Antiques are objects, for example, paintings or books that are very special because they are very old. You can always find antiques at the flea market. You can buy different old things at the flea market like suitcases, lamps, books, and others. Hey, let's see how well you know these words. There are sentences on the screen. Are they true or false? Say your answer, then check. 1. You can buy food at the flea market. False. 2. Cash is banknotes and coins. True. 3. To pay means to give money for some products you want to buy. True. 4. Antiques are a type of clothes. False. 5. You should leave a tip at the supermarket. False. Now let's think. What is so special about shopping in Ukraine? Well, firstly, Ukraine has a lot of street markets, much more than there usually are in European countries. At those street markets, you can buy anything: food, clothes, antiques, paintings, and sometimes even pets. Food. There are thousands of tiny street markets in Ukraine, but the oldest one of them is probably Bessarabsky market in Kyiv. It's also the most expensive one too. Typically, people sell food there that is much fresher than at the supermarkets, and if you know the right place, it can be quite cheap too. It's better to have a lot of coins on you, as the food can be cheap and it is easier to pay with coins. You don't need to worry about change though. Shop assistants there usually have it. Clothes. Usually you can find lots of clothes options at street markets, and mostly it is much cheaper than at any shopping center. You can find anything from shoes to dresses and hats. The biggest clothes market in Ukraine is called the 7th Kilometer Market, and it is located in Odessa. It is also the biggest one in Europe right now. Paintings are also popular at the street markets. You can find the most gorgeous art in Andriivsky descent in Kyiv or at Vernissage market in Lviv. The paintings there are often very special, and you can be sure that there are no others like them. It is probably better to have banknotes with you because paintings can be very expensive. Antiques. It can be surprising, but a lot of people love searching for antiques. Objects like that can be found at Kyiv Flea Market or Starokonka Flea Market in Odessa. Just don't forget to have some cash on you when you go to the street market, and you will be all right. And remember, same as in supermarkets, there is no need to leave a tip. Have a nice shopping day. Now let's check how well you listened to the text. There are sentences on the screen. Choose the correct option, A, B, or C. Write it down, then check. 1. Ukraine has street markets. A lot of. B, 2. C, not got many. Correct. A lot of. 2. At Bessarabsky market you can buy A, cheap food, B, expensive food, C, sports clothes. Right. B, expensive food. 3. You can pay at the street market. A, in cash or by credit card. B, only by credit card. C, only in cash. Sure, C, only in cash. 4. Choose the correct answer about the paintings. A, they can be very expensive. B, you should pay for them in coins. C, you can't find them at the street market. Right. A, they can be very expensive. 5. Is it okay to leave a 10% tip at the street market? A, yes. B, no. C, maybe. Surely. B, no. 6. Antiques markets are A, not popular at all. B, not located in Ukraine. C, actually popular. Correct. C, actually popular. Amazing job, guys! I knew it was easy for you. That's it for today. So we learned how to describe shopping in street markets. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye!